Hello, I'm Jonathan from Golan's Moving and Storage. And since 1990, we have been performing local and long-distance moves for residential and commercial clients. We are a Chicago-based company and pride ourselves on providing only the highest quality moving assistance. Our relocation consultants are experienced to assist you with any type of reservation. That may be a modest one-bedroom apartment moving across town or a large home relocating to another state. Whatever the size or type, we'll work with you to understand your needs and expectations in order to make your move a success. We are equipped with our own fleet of trucks, and our workers are trained to pack and move your belongings with great care and efficiency. All of our personnel will work to understand your needs and expectations for your move. Moving is very personal, and we provide a personal touch. Thank you, and welcome to Golan's Moving.